everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. So today's video is obviously Michael's $4 grab bags. Thank goodness for Instagram, because I was going every single day to check if they had them and they didn't. And the 4 days that I didn't go were the 4 days that they had them, but I was able to score 3 boxes and 2 bags full of goodies. The store associate was really nice and kind of told me that it would be full of toys and graduation, pride, and summer stuff, which is really exciting because if you know, toys are kind of my thing. I am collecting a bunch of toys so that for Christmas I can donate them. So I really hope that she's right, and I can kind of tell in here that it is stuff that's packaged like toys. By the way, if you're not into this video, I will link my last craft, which was posted on Sunday, below in a pinned comment and in the description. I made a cube shelf organizer, Farmhouse style. So if you don't like these videos, go over there and check that one out. Or if you just want to watch it afterwards, go ahead and do that. So let me bring this box down and open this one first. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, I didn't think this through. Let me move this. Focus. We did it. We freaking did it. So we're gonna start off with this box. They are not even taped, so I'm pretty sure people have taken stuff out. And already I am super psyched because it is, the very first thing is this Donut Worry Be Happy stationery set. So it brings a notebook, pencils, markers, stickers. This is really cool. They removed the price, so I'm gonna have to look this up online and kind of just put it on the screen. So I won't be doing the whole original price this, original price that. And the second item is also this. The third item. Fourth. Hold on. Fifth. Sixth. Okay, so I have 6 of these, so that's gonna be wonderful for my Christmas donation stuff. All right, and down here I have more stationery stuff, so I guess they were just trying to get rid of everything they could. So this one is stinking cute with the little poop emoji, which is supposedly an ice cream scoop. We know it's a poop emoji, and it has the same thing. This one also doesn't have the original price. I kind of wish it would so that I can add everything up, but I'm sure when I look it up online, they should have it. And then they've included 3 of these. So in total, I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stationery sets. So that's 9 awesome gifts. Kind of wish they had boy ones because I am slacking on my boy gift options. So far, so great. For $4, I got some really great gift options. So I'm pretty excited about that. Ugh. Let me not toss the box so I have a place to keep them. And let's do box number 2. So again, this one isn't sealed. It's just got that little thingy in here. And this one has a nice surprise because it has a Liberty sign. Now this is originally 15 bucks, and this is part of their red, white, and blue collection. Yes, red, white, and blue. This can be used all year round for decor if you have super patriotic decor, or if you are in the service like my husband. In his little office, I have a whole bunch of nautical stuff going on, and I think this would look really good. But if you're not into this, you can always just paint this white and use your Cricut or whatever to make this over. Still really cool. So now let's see what they put in here. I'm already seeing more stationery sets. So in here, I have more of the Stinkin' Cute. So yay. Okay, so I have 4 more of these Stinkin' Cute stationery sets. And I actually think I'm gonna save some of these for my sister at her place, Beach House Nutrition in Lyndhurst, New Jersey. If you haven't stopped by, she does like kids Zumba classes, and sometimes she does little prizes for them when they do activities. So I'll give her some of these so she can use them as prizes. I think that would be really, really cute. But this is box number 2. So so far for $8, we are doing really good. There's more stationery sets, and this one looks more like on the teenage side. This one says the future is bright, and it has a really pretty, kind of like a galaxy thing going on with the stickers, pens, markers, and again, no original price. I think they just kind of removed everything from all of these sets. Who knows how long they've had him sitting around, but this box was 4 of these and 4 of the other ones, so 8 items in total. Not bad at all. So everything was 50 cents a piece. Pretty sweet. Oh, am I out of focus? I do have a bag as well, so if this is getting really boring, the bag definitely looks different than the stationery sets. And of course, this is another box of stationery sets. So this one, I have the stinking cute ones. I have 4 of these. Again, none of them have the original price, which is okay. Then I have 3 more of the purple galaxy ones. So I'm not mad at it. This one had 1 less item than the other ones, but that's totally okay. I know that some of these boxes do get opened by people in stores just to kind of peek through. And regardless, these boxes are $4, so I'm not going to be mad if somebody takes an extra item. So I'm actually going to put these back. And now let's move on to things that are obviously not stationary because they're in a bag, and the bag definitely doesn't fit this. So I got this little bag, and it's the first item to pop out is Jane Davenport Ultimate Waterproof Brush Pen. Oh, this is really cool. Made in suede. What is it used for? Fine and flexible brush tip plus intense color combined to make this the ultimate pen for creating smooth, delicate lines to add finishing details to your artwork. This is really cool. So the size of this actually looks like it could fit my Cricut. So let me finish breaking the bag. I got an empty bag. And then I got a Pride tablecloth. This was originally $4 US, 6 Canadian dollars. And it's a rainbow, so you can use it for anything. You don't have to like use it specifically for Pride. That's why I love Pride decor stuff. It's cute rainbow stuff. Who doesn't love that? The next item in here is a matchmaker set, Ensemble Matchmaker, matte finish acrylic paint. This is cool. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So this is to actually, wait, what? Starting with the base color, add drops from the dark, lighter tones to customize your own custom skin tone and bring your artwork to life. For a second I was confused because I thought this was actually supposed to mix foundation for you, but this is just like if you're painting skin tone. So it brings a pink, a lighter pink, and a dark. That's pretty nice. Also, it doesn't have an original price on it, but that's okay. The next item in here is a glow headband. Great for Halloween and anything that requires you to go outside. Oh, this is $3 and 5 Canadian dollars. I don't think I can ever see myself paying $3 for this originally, so I can see why it ended up in the bag. I got this really cool headband for next 4th of July or Memorial Day. Originally $10, and it does light up. So it hasn't been tampered with. You just kind of pull this out, and I don't want to pull it out just yet so that I can use this next year because I think it is super duper cute. They also included one of these fun things. This is originally $2. It doesn't say the Canadian price, it just says $2. Yay! So this bag is actually pretty diverse because not only does it have the Pride stuff, but it does have Memorial Day stuff. Speaking of Pride, they did include Pride balloons, which is really cool. Originally, this is 8 US, 10 Canadian, and it brings 60 balloons, and they look like really, really thin balloons. So this would be really cool to make an archway if you're doing like a unicorn theme party. Super convenient. So I love it. And then they included more balloons in the color green. And these are those long balloons, so I think you can actually make balloon characters out of these. But this is originally $6 Canadian dollars for US dollars. I have another one of those stylus pen things. And then I really like this. It is the part of the red, white, and blue decor, originally 10 US dollars. Doesn't have the Canadian price. This is really nice to put in your garden or just anywhere. Super cute. Another stylus pen, so I guess this really didn't sell well. This is Making Faces Mixed Media. Masquerade Journal Tattoos. This is really cool. Add wondrous layers of delicate detail to your Jane-inspired artwork. This is so cool. Doesn't have a price, so I'll have to look it up online, but so far we are rocking. And then we have one more, which honestly is just one item. And I can tell why they just packaged one item in here, and I already know what it is. It is, they shouldn't have even put it in a bag, but I understand why they did. It is the giant red, white, and blue home sign. Now this thing was originally 50 US dollars. So for $4, that's not bad. And like I said, if you have very patriotic decor, this can be used year round. I really like all of the things that I got. Normally when I do these boxes, there's a lot of things that I just kind of put aside for donation immediately. Like when I did the Easter, I ended up donating a ton of stuff. But for this, I feel like everything is going to be used, especially the toys, because that is part of my Christmas donation. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 17, 18, 20. So for $20, I got a lot of stuff. I'll leave on the screen the total of the amount of what all of this stuff was worth. But for me, this is kind of priceless because I get to do really awesome Christmas gifts. So hopefully y'all can make it to Michael's today. I know that they still had grab bags in a lot of them, not very many, it's been picked over. But I know that after every major holiday, once stuff gets to 80% off, that's when it gets grab bagged. So all I recommend is that you actually call your store instead of going on a wild goose chase. Call them, ask them if they have them. They're always super duper nice, at least my stores. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate y'all so much, and I will see you on the next one.